Next song we'd like to do was recorded a few years ago by us guys. The song is called Uka Good. We want to send it out to Brother Moke in the back.
Hey, brother, ready?
Ready?
We go, bro, we go. Here we go. The people who live in the islands have a saying you should know. You hear it by day, you hear it by night, and this is what they have to say. Uka good, uka good, uka good. The phrase describes a good feeling, like surfing on a 10-foot crest. Slide to the right, slide to the left, come on top, number one best. Uka good, uka good, uka good. Hey, brother Moke, where's the poke from last night's luau? Bring out the boil, OBE and salmon, and don't forget the okole how. The people who come from these islands speak or talk all their own. Like you stick 'em go, and you go stick 'em. That's right if you don't know what kind talk is. No, it's a miss, but uka good. You got it, Hawaii. Like you stick 'em both, and you go stick 'em. That's right if you don't know what kind talk this. No, it's a miss, but uka good. What kind talk this? I know it's a miss, but uka good, uka good.
Hey brother, where's the bouquet?
Hey brother, stay at the party house.
Where? College Place?
Yeah, brother, Bar Street. Welcome back to Hot Hawaiian Nights. All you country lovers out there, and feature the voice of Brother Alika. A song called Funny Face.
Tears